Hi everybody, how are you guys doing today? It's me, and I was actually preparing for a new video, but I got something better for me. Look at how pretty this tape is. I got some Creative Birdie mail from a wonderful artist. She does amazing art. She paints, she is an artist. Her paintings are amazing. I've gotten ATCs from her, I've gotten shakers, I've gotten Halloween card from her, and they were all hand painted, and I love handmade things. So, and I am talking about Lindsay. That's right, yeah. Yes. Lindsay McKenzel. And she is in the UK. Now there's a hole here, so I'm going to use that hole to my advantage. Oh my. Let's just take it out. Take it out. Oh my Lord. Oh, let's see. I love handmade things. Oh my God. Okay. Hold yourself. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. Her and I love Frida Kahlo. Oh, look at that. Oh, we love Day of the Dead, Frida Kahlo, the Latin culture. Her and I just love. Look at that. Now, is that a magnet or a sticker? That could be a cool ring, actually. It's right there. Look at this. She did my, and I want to make them in this size too. She did my cloth pins. I have a video on these. Very nice. Oh, so nice to see somebody else do something that you've done. You've inspired them. And she sent me a bunch of molds. And by the feeling, they feel like, some feel like clay and some I think are, yes, glue gun. Oh, beautiful. I want to get you guys in closer. Very nice. I'm recording, okay?
Okay.
That is beautiful. Look at this. Really pretty piece of fabric, right? Sew it up really nice. And put that in there. Look how pretty that is. Oh yes, love it. Beautiful. Very pretty. Oh, very pretty. Wings, very pretty. Very pretty. Yay! And some big-headed Day of the Dead beads. Very pretty roses and flowers. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Look how pretty that is. These unicorns. This unicorn is gorgeous. Butterflies and feathers. I love them all. Thank you so very much. So very much. And these are napkins now I've never seen. Owl napkins. Very mystical, right? Oh, I love mushrooms. Oh, I love foxes. Oh, yes. I love all this stuff. Very much. I need to see what... Oh, shut up. I'm gonna drop something. What the... Oh my God. Oh, oh dear. Did you paint me a Frida Kahlo? Oh my Lord. You painted me a Frida Kahlo. I can feel it. Oh my God. You did not have to part with her. Oh my goodness. You did not have to part with her. Here's the story, guys. Lindsay showed a picture, or took a picture of this postcard here. Put it up on Facebook. When I seen that, I stared and stared and stared and stared. And I commented, something simple. And now I have her. Wow. She's going up in my living room. I'm going to find a frame with glass frame. Oh, I hope you signed her. Oh, you didn't sign her. She's going back to you. Oh my gosh. I wish you would have signed her. You're such a beautiful artist. The soul and the look and the spirit in her eyes, and amazing. And I was just talking, this lady here may not represent anything, but I was just talking about Mary Magdalene to a friend of mine from the UK. We were both just having a chat about Mary Magdalene and God and the Virgin Mary and stuff like that. And I was talking to my husband about the thoughts that myself and my friend were having about Mary Magdalene. Oh gosh, and then this morning, me and my husband were also talking about putting energy out there and putting good thoughts out there, and how you receive it right back. Those positive energies and thoughts. Wow. I'm going to start working on yours and send you one of my special girls. Oh man, and this tissue paper is amazing. I don't have nothing like this. That is really, 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 really nice. And then, I can't believe you. I just threw out my pillows that I've held on for over 15 years. I just threw them out, and it still hurt me to throw them out. And look what you sent me. My favorite. Frida Kahlo. Wow. Wow. My daughter Jacqueline just did all her research on Frida Kahlo, knows so much information. Wow. Thank you. That's going in my living room for sure. Until my craft space gets a little bit bigger, I need to move one of my daughter's beds out of here, because she no longer is going to sleep in my craft room. So I'll have another spot for that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I can't get over this. Wow. We'll leave that right there. So pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys are filling up my living room and craft room with beautiful things. So pretty. Look at that. So very pretty. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. Oh, some hearts. Ooh, these are just like the circles you sent me. I want to put one on my cell phone. Nice. Moving forward fearlessly. That's a good one. That's what I want to do. Maybe you pick that specific one for me. Moving forward fearlessly. Let's see. Oh, another one. Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't have any fairy. None. Zero. Not that I never want any. I just don't do that. I don't go buying things at all. I don't have no fairy stamps. Thank you. You're my first fairy stamp set. Thank you. Dreamcatcher stickers. These are beautiful. We have the same liking. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, these are beautiful too. I think I'll put these in my closet. Hang them right above my clothing. And maybe spray them with some oil and essence and stuff like that. Okay, look how beautiful that is. Goes this way. Ooh, the moons. So magical. Oh, and this says magical and love. Beautiful. Look at that shine. Ah, oh, such a moon lady. Let's see. Dear Secret, I wish you a very happy, healthy 2018. You are such an inspiration. Thanks. Thank you for all you do. Hope you can use these bits and pieces. Love, Lindsay Mackenzie. Of course. Thank you. Thank you. I love that. You can use every bits and bobs. It's so pretty. So very pretty. I need this lady to stay out. Very nice. Very pretty. These go on my door and I just shove them in a pocket I have on my door. So I grab when I need them. These I can get at the dollar store, so I would never say I've never had these. I have. But I love to have more. Thank you. And these are very pretty. Matter of fact, I have a project coming up. I have this metal piece that was going to be tossed. And it has this astronaut ass. Maybe one of these will fit. Oh, I think so. That one right there. Maybe that'll fit right there. That's perfect, actually. These two are going to go together. Okay. Ooh, that's beautiful. I take these out of the packaging. I like to feel my stuff and have it out. Very pretty. A bird. Very pretty. Thank you so much for sharing. Oh, so pretty. Oh, fabric. Yes. Even that I'll keep out. Oh, just dropped my keyboard. No big deal. This is very pretty. What did I say? Where's that piece? Where'd it go? This one here. That's pretty. You see? You can make a bracelet just like that. See? Like that, right? And then that on top. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. And you could back this also with fabric. Those things are going together. Those are nice. Very, very nice. Oh my God. These are my kind of fabrics. Very nice. All my fabrics come directly from clothing. Very pretty. Look at those flamingos. All up my alley. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. Oh, I love that. Give me a dress full of all of these patterns. Love that. With pockets. I love dresses with pockets. Look how beautiful. Dresses with lace. Oh, these are cool too. Ooh, those are really cool. Very nice. I wonder if I can get some kind of stamp impression from something like that. Oh, Very pretty. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Does this come off of this? No. I think it's supposed to stay together. Okay. Got it. Oh, look at these. I've shown you guys these, and I have a hard time using them. I have these two colors. Now look. Oh. Look. So pretty. Oh, look at that. I have a project coming up. Yeah. So pretty. Look at that. Might seem more shiny. I'm like a bird. I go straight for the shiny things. That's why my channel is Creative Birdie. Because I am a creative birdie and I love shiny things. Oh, so pretty. Never seen nothing like that. That would be pretty on the end of my sleeves, just right there. All the way around. Oh, I like that. It's in the detail. Oh, this is pretty too. Oh, I love that. I need to take my sewing machine out. Haven't used it much really, but I'm going to. I need a dedicated spot to my sewing machine. These are gorgeous, Lindsay. Beautiful. Other people's stuff is my treasure. Oh. That one's very, very feminine, very beautiful and dainty. Oh yeah. I love this one here. Very pretty. Oh, I love this one. I love them all. Very pretty. Oh, very, very pretty. Thank you so very, very much, Lindsay. I know it's not cheap for you to send to me. You're all the way in the UK. Don't ever feel like you need to send me this much. We can just share the cheapest of the cheapest, which would be postcards. We can paint on postcards and send postcards back and forth to each other. So I hope that you don't mind, because I really, really can't afford. I seriously can't. And I know you probably can't either. And you went ahead and did it. Excuse me. But I really, really can't. Like, I really can't. Let's see. I'm going to, but what I can do is paint up a postcard and send you a postcard. I sent a postcard to the UK about 3 weeks ago to Tibby. I haven't heard if she received it or not. But that's what I do. I love painting on postcards, and I'll send you one. I'll send you a very nice one because you parted with her, and she's beautiful. I'll send you one of my special girls too. Alrighty, thank you so very much for those that stuck around. Very grateful for you guys sticking around. Love each and every single one of you guys, and that'll probably be my thumbnail right there. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful night, and do something nice for yourself, actually, or for another person, whichever and whatever and however you like. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye, Creative Birdies.